IG.
Honorable Speaker, that is what I would wish to submit.
Thank you. You may have your seat. Now, DCI and IPOA, you will proceed from where we've left it before the committee tomorrow. We do not have time to hear you. Now, honorable senators, we have come to the end of this session. I'd wish to thank the CS and his team for the responses given. Now, the closure of this session is not the end of pursuing this matter by the Senate. If you're aware, the Senate Standing Committee on National Security is already seized of this matter, and it is scheduled for a sitting tomorrow. I therefore direct the Secretariat to make available the record of this meeting to our Standing Committee on National Security, Defense, and Foreign Relations, so that they can use this to further their probe and make the appropriate recommendation for tabling in the Senate. I also direct that the committee proceed in this matter with a lot of urgency and to table their report. Now, we are going on recess tomorrow. However, we are going to call for a special sitting before the end of the recess to discuss other businesses. This will be among the businesses to receive the report from the Committee of National Security. To IPOA, you've indicated to us that you need 10 days. This is a matter that is more complicated than that of the Honorable Ongono Were. It's a matter that happened in the hands of police officers, in the precincts of police station. It should be the easiest thing to conclude in the shortest time possible. If I were you, I will conclude it way before the expiry of the 10 days. The country is watching. Thank you so much, honorable senators. We now resume the normal. Having resumed the normal and ordinary session of the Senate, honorable senators, it is now 6:30 p.m., time to adjourn the Senate. The Senate therefore stands adjourned until tomorrow, Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025 at 2:30 p.m. I thank you.